Welcome. One topic at a time. 1. The Charter Act 1813 continued the company's monopoly over A. Trade with India. B. Cotton trade. C. Tea trade and trade with China. D. Salt trade. The correct answer is C. Tea trade and trade with China. 2. Under Charter Act 1813, how much amount of money was allocated for the education of Indians? A. 5 lakh rupees annually. B. 2 lakh rupees annually. C. 50,000 rupees annually. D. 1 lakh rupees annually. The correct answer is D. 1 lakh rupees annually. 3. The Charter Act 1813 extended the company's rule in India for how many years? A. 20 years. B. 10 years. C. 5 years. D. 15 years. The correct answer is A. 20 years. 4. The Charter Act 1813 introduced which principle in Indian governance? A. Separation of powers. B. Freedom of press. C. Encouragement to missionary activities and education. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Encouragement to missionary activities and education. 5. The Act fixed the dividend of East India Company at what percentage? A. 12.5%. B. 10.5%. C. 8.5%. D. 16.0%. The correct answer is B. 10.5%. 6. The Charter Act 1813 empowered the local governments in India to A. Establish new princely state. B. Raise their own armies. C. Impose taxes on people under the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Impose taxes on people under the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. 7. The Charter Act of 1813 is considered a turning point in Indian education because A. The establishment of first university in India. B. Making English medium compulsory for schools. C. Funding for the education of Indians. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Funding for the education of Indians. 8. What was the new role granted to Christian missionaries by Charter Act 1813? A. Full administrative control over missionary school. B. Prohibited in entering British territories in India. C. Allowed to enter India to spread their religion. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Allowed to enter India to spread their religion. Subscribe for more topic-wise MCQs.